This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Barbara Watz-Sawyer. This home has it all. Gorgeous, completely renovated with water views from the expansive front deck. The amazing great room, with gas fireplace, and custom white kitchen are an expansive open floor plan with soaring vaulted ceilings. Speaking of the kitchen, it has top-of-the-line Bosch appliances along with beautiful quartz countertops. From the French doors in the kitchen area, a huge new deck overlooks the newly landscaped backyard. The primary suite, with its own gas fireplace, boasts of a luxurious primary bath displaying a freestanding tub, stunning shower and white vanity along with a custom walk-in closet. Both fireplaces have a marble surround with the same marble used in the front door foyer. Very attractive exterior with arched windows, shingle look siding, and new landscaping. Two other full baths have entrance to another bedroom as well as the hallway. Located just minutes to the oceanfront and beach and all of the sought-after restaurants and entertainment. Quick closing. For more information, review the details below.